guys, welcome back to Kanini Flavors. Thank you for your continued support. It's been a minute since I last posted, so today we are baking some potatoes in our oven, so crunchy. So just stay tuned as we start the recipe. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment nicely. Let's start. My ingredients are potatoes. You have them. So the first step is to peel them and then soak them in water for like 20 minutes. After you soak them, this is the next step. You boil them and add some salt for like 15 or 10 minutes maximum. 10 minutes maximum. And then let's go to our next step. Our potatoes are ready. Like you boil them to hazijaiva, but they're almost ready, so they are good to be used. The other thing that I have with me is some ginger, some soy sauce and a tablespoon oil. I also have some black pepper and coriander powder and some oil. And here is my cooking pan. So I'll oil it. Ensure that the oil is all over. After this, I've drained my potatoes, so I'll just pour them in my cooking sheet. After that, as you can see, they are hot. I come in with my ginger mix. It's not much. After I've added my ginger, I add some salt to taste. I come in with my black pepper. I also add my coriander. And that's it for my ingredients. Then I come and preheat my oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. Yes. Our oven is ready. So our potatoes. Oops. There they are. Remember, we are making baked potatoes. And then we set time of 30 minutes at 220 degrees. And let's wait for the final result. Can't wait to taste them. Our baked potatoes are still cooking. Our last ingredient here are some coriander leaves and tomato. So I'll just add on top. I wish you can kusikia the smell that is coming from this oven. Ni tamu. Can't wait to eat them. So I'll just give it like 5 maximum minutes, because that's what is remaining on our oven, and then we see the results. It's smelling nice. Oh, you will love them. Oh my goodness. I wish you could hear the smell. Let me get them to have a clear picture of them. Here they are. So that's our simple recipe today. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment at Kanini Flavors, and stay tuned for more and more recipes. Thank you so much.